Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make healthy and nutritious dish, chicken crispy noodle salad with miso dressing. My veggies already prepared. I just chilled my veggie in the fridge, and during this time I'm going to make the miso dressings and chicken. Firstly, I'm going to make the dressings. What I need, I have the quarter cup of miso paste, and mix with honey, 1 tablespoon, and dissolve the miso and the honey with the water, just 2 tablespoons. I'm going to season what we need. I just put the 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. You can use lime or the lemon juice, just 1 teaspoon. Okay, grated ginger, and the last ingredient. This is my favorite. I love this aroma and smoking aroma. This is sesame oil. Okay. I'm going to use the small whisk. Whisk the mixture until everything incorporated. And okay, I'm going to cook the chicken. I prefer to use the poaching because I want to avoid using the oil. I have 150 grams of the chicken breast, and I cook in the poaching method around 10 to 15 minutes. But I think that depends on how big of your chicken, but this around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, everything ready. I'm going to mix the dressing with the my cold salad. And this is optional. I like my salad a little bit spicy. I just put some chilies. And my tofu. Because the tofu quite delicate, so I just add it later. And herb, coriander. And last one, chicken. Top the chicken with the dressing. And another one, I'm going to garnish black sesame. Oh, it looks healthy, doesn't it? My salad is done. I think it's quite easy and healthy, and I hope you have the idea if you boost your energy and your health. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.